rigid, and then after the new cloth will be in. Headliner all clean, repaired with almost ready to go.
Alright guys, this is Alex from AK. Usually today I'm gonna make a video that I don't like to do. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a headliner by yourself. With nobody else, no help. So I went ahead and put this just so you guys can understand. When you're working by yourself, I actually don't do this. You know, I don't put clips to help out anything. But for this headline, that's very short space to work with. You see, headliner is really to the edge, and you still have to go down deep. So it doesn't have. So you have to stretch equally. So I put some clips over here to hold so I can show better how do I do. How we're supposed to do it's by yourself. So if you see the headliner have a lot of deep spaces and roundeds and corners there, we have to make it work well without wrinkles or anything. So I'm gonna remove the clips from the first half that I'm gonna do it. The most hard one is the front. So I'm gonna remove and show you guys how is it done. So you flip the headliner this way. I already make the repairs that I need here. It was an accident, so I have to do a little repair with the fiberglass, and I do it nice and right. It can feel smooth. So I'm gonna have to go all over this, and because it's too deep right here and a lot of roundeds and corners and all that, I have to make it work without wrinkles on a flat surface. So I'm gonna go and do it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record by myself, but I will show you by the steps. See you soon. Consistency, uniform, always, no mistakes. This type of service cannot have mistakes. Or you know how to do it or you don't. Okay, now it needs some time to, you know, to the glue get to the point that will be very tacky and it's not gonna be able to be removed. So that's how you do good. And I actually have to do a glove like this. Let me show you guys. Like this with the same material, same headliner material. When I'm applying the fabric to the headliner, it goes smooth, you know, passing by the material so you don't make any marks. So I'll show you in a little bit. So I started from this side to the half. So I have to make all these, no wrinkles. It's not easy. Over here, this is almost, it's right at the edge. So I have to fight to do the same thing on this side too. Let's see. All right, so I conclude this side to the half, not half, but 3/4. This side, this is gonna be glued under after, and then I'll take all the wrinkles off. So now I'm gonna fold this way and do the same process. As you can see, no wrinkles. And I'm doing by myself. It's not easy, but it's not impossible once you want to do the job. You're a professional. this way. I'm gonna start. Oh, all right. There's the second part that I'm gonna do it. It's actually easier than the other one, but it becomes about the same difficulties because it's longer and because I'm by myself. So I have to figure it out how to do it nice so we don't have any issues. Here we go. It's done. So I'm gonna turn upside down now. Now I need somebody to hold with me so I can do the other edges. You know, I don't like to take it by myself. I could take it by myself and flip, but I'm better off if I put somebody else help me out so I can finish. But it's done. That's how we do.